Hi everyone, welcome back to Bright Learners. Today, we're going to learn 50 simple English sentences to help you describe common house problems and find the right person to fix them. Let's get started. The door lock is broken.
The door lock is broken.
The doorknob is loose.
The doorknob is loose.
The window won't close.
The window won't close.
The window is broken.
The window is broken.
The wall has a crack.
The wall has a crack.
There is a hole in the wall.
There is a hole in the wall.
The paint is peeling.
The paint is peeling.
The floor is squeaky.
The floor is squeaky.
The tile is cracked.
The tile is cracked.
The steps are broken.
The steps are broken.
The roof is leaking.
The roof is leaking.
Oh no, everything is broken.
Everything is broken.
The kitchen sink is clogged.
The kitchen sink is clogged.
The drain is slow.
The drain is slow.
The faucet is dripping.
The faucet is dripping.
The pipe is leaking.
The pipe is leaking.
The pipes are frozen.
The pipes are frozen.
The toilet is overflowing.
The toilet is overflowing.
The shower head is broken.
The shower head is broken.
There is no hot water.
There is no hot water.
The water pressure is low.
The water pressure is low.
There is mold in the corner.
There is mold in the corner.
The power is out.
The power is out.
The light is flickering.
The light is flickering.
The light bulb burnt out.
The light bulb burnt out.
The outlet doesn't work.
The outlet doesn't work.
The fridge is making a loud noise.
The fridge is making a loud noise.
The washing machine won't start.
The washing machine won't start.
The air conditioner isn't cooling.
The air conditioner isn't cooling.
The heater is broken.
The heater is broken.
The furnace is broken.
The furnace is broken.
There are ants in the kitchen.
There are ants in the kitchen.
I found a cockroach under the sink.
I found a cockroach under the sink.
There are fruit flies in the trash can.
There are fruit flies in the trash can.
I saw a mouse running across the floor.
I saw a mouse running across the floor.
There is a spider web in the corner.
There is a spider web in the corner.
There are squirrels in the attic.
There are squirrels in the attic.
A raccoon is digging through the trash.
A raccoon is digging through the trash.
My house is a mess.
My house is a mess.
It's an emergency.
It's an emergency.
Can you fix this?
Can you fix this?
How much will it cost to fix?
How much will it cost to fix?
I need to call a plumber.
I need to call a plumber.
I need to buy some bug spray.
I need to buy some bug spray.
I need to set a mouse trap.
I need to set a mouse trap.
We should call pest control.
We should call pest control.
The locksmith fixes the lock.
The locksmith fixes the lock.
The plumber fixes the pipes.
The plumber fixes the pipes.
The electrician fixes the wiring.
The electrician fixes the wiring.
The handyman fixes the window.
The handyman fixes the window.
The HVAC technician fixes the furnace.
The HVAC technician fixes the furnace.
The carpenter fixes the steps.
The carpenter fixes the steps.
The roofer fixes the roof.
The roofer fixes the roof.
The painter paints the walls.
The painter paints the walls.
The exterminator gets rid of pests.
The exterminator gets rid of pests.
That's all for today. I hope these sentences help you feel more confident handling house problems in English. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple English. See you next time. Happy learning!